Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share a quick video on how I make my signature protein shake. Trust me, you're going to love it. First, give these ingredients a good rinse. Dates, pine nuts, cashew nuts, sunflower seeds, raw pumpkin seeds, walnuts, and pecans. Of course, we can't forget the banana, it's a must. Now toss everything into the blender. Oh, and don't forget to wash a handful of sesame seeds and add those in too. And just like that, you've got my healthy signature protein shake. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Cheers and enjoy.